Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Tanzania. Nestled in East Africa, Tanzania is a treasure trove of breathtaking landscapes and diverse wildlife that captivates the hearts of travelers from around the globe. From the iconic peaks of Mount Kilimanjaro to the vast plains of the Serengeti, this country offers a stunning array of natural beauty that is simply unparalleled. Imagine standing at the foot of Kilimanjaro, the highest mountain in Africa, or witnessing the Great Migration, where millions of wildebeest and zebras traverse the Serengeti in search of greener pastures. These are just glimpses of the wonders that await you in Tanzania. But it's not just the landscapes that make Tanzania special. The country is rich in culture, with over 120 ethnic groups, each contributing to a vibrant tapestry of traditions, languages, and cuisines. From the bustling markets of Dar es Salaam to the serene shores of Zanzibar, you'll find a unique blend of history and modernity that invites exploration. In this video, we'll take you on an engaging journey through Tanzania's most amazing places, showcasing its stunning national parks, pristine beaches, and rich cultural heritage. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a wildlife enthusiast, or a culture lover, Tanzania has something for everyone. So, buckle up as we dive into the unique cultural and natural wonders of this incredible country, and get ready to be inspired by the beauty and diversity that Tanzania has to offer. Serengeti National Park. The Serengeti National Park is one of the most iconic wildlife destinations in the world, renowned for its stunning landscapes and incredible biodiversity. Spanning over 5,700 square miles, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to an array of wildlife, making it a must-visit for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. One of the most remarkable events that takes place here is the Great Migration, where approximately 1.5 million wildebeest, along with hundreds of thousands of zebras and gazelles, embark on a perilous journey in search of fresh grazing grounds. This annual migration is not only a spectacular sight but also a vital part of the animal kingdom, showcasing the instinctual drive for survival and the interconnectedness of ecosystems. As you explore the Serengeti, you'll encounter a diverse range of wildlife. The park is famous for its majestic lions, often seen lounging in the shade or stalking their prey. Elephants roam freely, their massive forms a testament to the park's thriving ecosystem. Meanwhile, herds of zebras create a striking contrast against the golden savanna, adding to the park's vibrant tapestry of life. The breathtaking landscapes of the Serengeti, with its rolling plains, acacia woodlands, and riverine forests, provide the perfect backdrop for unforgettable safari adventures. Whether you choose to embark on a guided game drive, a hot air balloon ride at sunrise, or a walking safari, the Serengeti promises an immersive experience that connects you with nature in its purest form. Prepare to be awed by the wonders of the Serengeti National Park, where every moment is a chance to witness the extraordinary. Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro, standing tall at 19,341 feet, is not only Africa's highest peak but also one of the most iconic mountains in the world. This majestic giant attracts adventurers and nature enthusiasts from all corners of the globe, eager to conquer its summit and experience the breathtaking beauty it has to offer. There are several trekking routes to choose from, each presenting its own unique challenges and rewards. The Marangu route, often referred to as the Coca-Cola route, is the most popular and offers hut accommodations along the way. In contrast, the Machame route, known as the Whiskey route, provides a more rugged experience with stunning views and diverse landscapes, including lush rainforests and alpine deserts. For those seeking a true adventure, the Lemosho route offers a less traveled path with spectacular vistas and a chance to acclimatize properly. As you ascend Kilimanjaro, you'll encounter a remarkable range of ecosystems, from tropical rainforests teeming with wildlife to the stark, icy summit. The stunning views from the top are nothing short of life-changing, with panoramic vistas that stretch for miles, offering a sense of accomplishment and connection to nature that is hard to replicate. Climbing Kilimanjaro is more than just a physical challenge, it's an opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery. The journey tests your limits, fosters camaraderie among fellow trekkers, and leaves you with memories that will last a lifetime. So, if you're looking for an adventure that will transform your perspective, consider taking on the challenge of Mount Kilimanjaro. It's an experience that promises to inspire and uplift you in ways you never imagined. Ngorongoro Crater. The Ngorongoro crater is a geological marvel and a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases the incredible forces of nature. Formed millions of years ago by a massive volcanic eruption, the crater is the largest intact caldera in the world, measuring about 12 miles in diameter. Its unique geological features create a stunning landscape that is both breathtaking and ecologically significant. The steep walls of the crater rise dramatically from the surrounding plains, creating a natural amphitheater that shelters a diverse range of habitats, from lush grasslands to dense forests. This rich biodiversity makes the Ngorongoro crater one of the best places in Africa to observe wildlife. Home to an estimated 25,000 large animals, including lions, elephants, and the endangered black rhino, the crater offers a unique opportunity to witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. The compact size of the crater means that wildlife is often easily spotted, making it a paradise for photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. In addition to its natural wonders, the Ngorongoro crater holds significant cultural importance for the Maasai people, who have lived in harmony with the land for centuries. The Maasai maintain their traditional way of life, herding cattle and practicing age-old customs, while coexisting with the wildlife that surrounds them. Their deep connection to the land and its resources adds a rich cultural layer to the experience of visiting the crater. Exploring the Ngorongoro crater is not just a journey through stunning landscapes and diverse wildlife. It's also an opportunity to appreciate the intricate relationship between nature and culture in this remarkable region of Tanzania. Zanzibar Archipelago. Welcome to the enchanting Zanzibar Archipelago, a tropical paradise off the coast of Tanzania that boasts some of the most stunning beaches in the world. With powdery white sands and crystal-clear turquoise waters, the islands of Zanzibar, Pemba, and Unguja offer a serene escape for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike. The vibrant coral reefs that surround these islands are teeming with marine life, making them a haven for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Whether you're lounging on the beach, swimming in the warm Indian Ocean, or exploring the underwater wonders, Zanzibar promises an unforgettable experience. Beyond its natural beauty, Zanzibar is steeped in rich history and cultural influences, largely shaped by its historic spice trade. Known as the Spice Island, Zanzibar has been a melting pot of cultures for centuries, with Arab, Persian, Indian, and European influences evident in its architecture, music, and traditions. The historic Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a maze of narrow streets, bustling bazaars, and intricately carved doors that tell the story of its vibrant past. No visit to Zanzibar would be complete without indulging in its local cuisine. The island's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of flavors, featuring spices like cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon that reflect its trading history. Be sure to explore the local markets, where you can sample fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and traditional dishes like biryani and pilau. Zanzibar is not just a destination. It's an experience that invites you to immerse yourself in its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. So pack your bags and get ready to discover the magic of the Zanzibar archipelago. Lake Manyara National Park. Lake Manyara National Park is a hidden gem in Tanzania, renowned for its diverse ecosystems and breathtaking landscapes. Nestled at the base of the Great Rift Valley, the park covers an area of approximately 127 square miles, featuring a unique blend of habitats, including lush forests, open grasslands, and the shimmering waters of Lake Manyara itself. One of the park's most famous inhabitants is the tree-climbing lion, a rare sight that draws wildlife enthusiasts from around the world. These majestic creatures can often be seen lounging on the branches of acacia trees, showcasing their remarkable adaptability and providing a unique twist to the traditional safari experience. Birdwatchers will find Lake Manyara a paradise, as the park is home to over 400 species of birds. From the vibrant pink flamingos that flock to the lake's shores to the striking African fish eagle soaring overhead, the avian diversity is truly remarkable. The park's varied habitats support a wide range of birdlife, making it an ideal destination for both amateur and seasoned birdwatchers. As you explore Lake Manyara National Park, you'll be treated to stunning views of the Great Rift Valley, with its dramatic escarpments and sweeping vistas. The combination of the park's lush landscapes and the expansive views of the valley creates a picturesque backdrop that is perfect for photography and reflection. Whether you're on a game drive, hiking through the forests, or simply soaking in the views, Lake Manyara National Park offers a unique and unforgettable experience that highlights the beauty and diversity of Tanzania's natural wonders. In this video, we've taken you on an exciting journey through the incredible wonders of Tanzania, highlighting its breathtaking natural landscapes and rich cultural heritage. From the iconic Serengeti National Park, where the Great Migration unfolds in a spectacular display of wildlife, to the majestic heights of Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest peak, Tanzania offers a diverse array of experiences for every traveler. We also explored the unique geological features of the Ngorongoro crater, home to an abundance of wildlife and a vibrant Maasai culture, as well as the stunning beaches and rich history of the Zanzibar archipelago, known for its spice trade and delicious cuisine. The key takeaways from our exploration are clear. Tanzania is a land of extraordinary beauty and cultural richness, making it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking adventure and inspiration. Whether you're an avid wildlife enthusiast, a hiking aficionado, or a culture lover, Tanzania has something to offer that will leave you in awe. We encourage you to consider visiting these amazing places and experiencing the wonders of Tanzania for yourself. There's no better way to connect with nature and immerse yourself in a vibrant culture than by exploring this incredible country. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting adventures and insights from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you in Tanzania soon.